Alright, you guys, it's been another beautiful day in paradise. And we're out here with the puppies. There's little Chowder. He's going on an airplane tomorrow. So we'll just see if we can get a good little video of him without them attacking me. Little kitties. So cute. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Mighty. Is that you, Mighty? He is so handsome. Mighty. Oh, he's the strongest little puppy. He's such a strong little puppy. See how cute they are. That's Brahma. He's absolutely adorable. Look at how cute you are. You're so cute. That's one of the little females. Hi. That's the little pet quality boy. He is special. He's not real big. He's real sweet. And then that's Mighty. Mighty! He already knows his name. Mighty! Mighty! Mighty Mite! And that's Chowder. Chowder's leaving tomorrow. Mighty! So handsome. It's a gorgeous head. We actually had one years ago named Mighty. So that's Mighty the second, but they changed his name. And then that's little Touche. We had another Touche, but they changed the name, so that one looks like her. And then that's little Henry. I called him Mikey, but then it sounded too much like Mighty, so we had to change it. Henry! Little Henry! There's his name. Henry! Come here, Henry! Henry! You little stinker. Henry! Peace, your mother. And then, oh no, that was the little girl. This is Henry. Henry! Oh my god, he's so cute. Yeah, that was a little chamois over there. Mighty! And then Mighty came over here to give me a kiss. Mighty! Look at that little tail. Yeah, that's old Henry right there. He's a pet quality. Available to a great home. He's gorgeous. Very classic looks. And then that's the big boy, Brahma. And I did want to remind you guys, it's on the website, but I don't sell them for breeding. Only spay and neuter agreement with any of them. And then that's one of the little girls there. Mighty! Mighty! Incredibly gorgeous. And there's old Chowder. He doesn't know. He doesn't know what's getting ready to happen. Comes Henry. Alright, you guys, so we still have some of the black ones. We're going to do a little training video tomorrow so that everybody that's already gotten them can kind of follow along and kind of train them, because we'll start training these. I see you, Henry. 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 Chowder over there. He doesn't have a care in the world. And there's two of the girls over there. That one's one of the show quality ones right there, that head. Alright, you guys. Another exciting day in paradise. See ya.